My name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today in this video I want to talk to you if you are DJI Pilot. Basically this video is for you. So basically I've opened a forum for DJI Pilots and that's what I want to talk about this today, and also want to share with you the link so you can have a look. So basically this community is for all DJI Pilots. Everyone can just join and talk and post their images, post YouTube videos and all sorts of stuff. So if you're one of them, feel free to join. The link is in the description, but I'm gonna show you overall how this is looking. So stay with me. I'm gonna show you now how this community looks. It looks very simple. It's like a Facebook group, but more complex. Obviously if you don't want any spam, any ads, this community is just for you. So I'm going to show you now how this one looks. So the link is in the description. You just need to click on it and that's the homepage you're gonna see. It's basically what was telling you to join for free. Obviously it is for free. You can just join, click join now, and just you need to put your username, your email address, a strong password, location, and obviously where you find about this community. And it's like a verification for spams and trolls. Just obviously if it's a very simple question. So what owns the Mavic drones? Basically DJI. So once you've done that, just click register and then you'll have now an account with us or with the community. I will just log in because obviously I don't need to make an account. And that's how it looks like. Once you're logged in, basically you click on community and that's where you start posting. So if you're a new pilot, just click new pilot, just introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Vas, and just write a description about you. Now if you want to post some images, example what you took last weekend or last day, you just go on Pilot Showroom and just click what you want. You want a critic or you want your opinion, so it's up to you. And now you write a small title about your photo and then descriptions. And to upload your image, just click insert image, drop image, and just upload your file. Very simple. Just make sure you put the location and add some tags. So again, it's very simple, very simple. Once you posted your photo, the image will appear on media page. As you can see here, you already can see other people's images that has posted on this forum. The very professional images. Again, you could just post your photo here. No restrictions how many images you can post. Very simple and very easy. Again, if you have any questions or if you want to talk about drones, basically click on general discussions and here you can choose what you want to talk about. So if you want to talk about photography, videography, money, maybe you want to know how to make money, you can click money. Otherwise you can just search already made post on the community and see if you can find what you're looking for. Otherwise just make a post and that's it. You have here articles. So I wrote some articles on this community. I need to write more, but obviously I just need more time as well. But apart from that, you can find some useful information in articles. So I've added a new page on this community resources. So you can find here, well, it's still new, it's still small, but it's still, if you want to share anything, just join and you can post anything useful to other pilots. Maybe you got some information, maybe you got some maps you want to post, just post on here. Very simple and very easy and pretty much straightforward. Again, if you want to finish your profile, just make sure you click on profile and just edit your profile photo, profile banner. Very simple. Very simple again. Now, if you want to talk about let's say any DJI, let's say it's a DJI Mavic 4 Pro, you have to go on DJI Hub and look for DJI Mavic series. That's it. You click on here, and now you can click on, just click, choose the prefix when you talk about, just choose Mavic 4 Pro, write title, help with Mavic 4 Pro, and description, just write the description as well. Any questions, ask, or if you can choose, maybe you can choose a question or poll, so it's totally up to you what to talk about. So the benefit of using this community is basically, if you don't like Facebook, how it's acting, if you don't like Facebook, how it's compressing your photo, you basically can, your images here, you won't be compressed. So if your photo has, let's say, 10 megabytes, you'll be saved in 10 megabytes, so you don't need to worry about compressing or losing the quality, as you can see here. So yeah, let's have a look on this picture. It's posted by one of our member. So if you look on image details, it says 1 megabytes. Obviously, probably the pilot has copied the picture from Facebook and posted on the forum. But if you move to other pictures, you can see it's different sizes. So basically, your photo won't be compressed. So you can have you can see a lot of images by our members on this forum, and obviously you can just join and post your pictures here as well. So that's what I want to talk to you about today, about this community. It's very, very simple, very cozy, no spams, no ads. Once you join, you basically just, here you go, you can start posting, sharing the images. Maybe you want to ask any questions. It's not really active, but obviously it's not social media. It's more like a community, but people are different, I think. And again, you can post your images and talk about what you can improve, and any other questions. Again, that's all I want to talk to you about today. It's no massive video, but that's basically what I wanted to share with you today about this community. So thanks a lot for watching. Feel free to join. I'm looking forward to see you on community. Any questions, ask in the comments how to join this community. I'm really happy to help. As I said, it's totally free to join. Just click join, fill a couple of information about you as a pilot, and just start posting your photos. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.